Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to delete a formula but keep the results. We open the Excel file to check that the formulas exist. Then select these cells with formulas and you will copy them. In another cell, right-click and in Paste Options choose Values. You can see that the formulas are not available. Now simply copy this value and paste it over the values with formulas. Thus, you will have the values but not the formulas. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.